Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! Good morning guys! So, welcome again to my video. Today, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyari sa araw ko. But I'm having a breakfast. It's lilot. Lilot balatong. Mamaya-maya, alis ako kasi may utos sa akin ng mami ko. Isusunod ko daw yung food nila kasi ngayon she's with her friends and may isusunod daw na pagkain. Ako yung magsusunod as a good daughter. This is an ASMR. May muta pa ako. Paalis na kami and daanan lang namin yung food. Then, we're going there na. Made it home. We are able to grab some food and we also delivered the food they asked me to. Update guys, walang kuryente sa amin and hindi namin alam yung gagawin. Yes, kakain na lang kami. Yes. Aray ko, sinisinok ako. Kakainin na lang namin yung in-order namin kanina. Sinisinok ako guys. Bear with it. So we have here our food. First is this. Shawarma. Ito yung masarap na shawarma. Ikaw mo ka siya with this sauce. Sarap-sarap niya. Kaya next. I think this is this. Shawarma pa rin. Kasi I ordered wings as well.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come on.
Hindi. Uli yung kumpleto.
Hey guys, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Dali
To my channel.
Ano, ulit nga.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Ano?
Sabi mo, hey guys,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome
welcome back to my channel.
So ngayon guys, naghahanap kami ng mabibili namin sa 15 pesos. Alam mo bang yung sinukli sa akin galing sa'yo? Ah,
Ay, oo.
pwede to. 10 lang.
Gusto mo ng 15?
Oo, so ko sakto yung 15. Guys, walang sakto. So, dalawa nito.
Dadagdagan na.